And good day, traders. Welcome to the Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today's Tuesday, March 23rd. I'm going to run through everything we did today. We had several trades today. We had three pretty nice ones, a couple small ones, one at break even. I'm going to run through everything here from left to right in no particular time order. Most were in the NASDAQ. One was in the ES. We had no losing trades today. We did have some break evens while we were waiting for a move to a target that we were looking for, but that's understandable. The first trade we took in the ES, well, the only trade we took in the ES was 30 quarter in the ES, and that was on the 1009 candle, and the trade went all the way up. It made 3 points. Told everybody take profits along the way, 2-3 points. If you have runners left, if you want to try to hold one, go to entry, give it a tick, whatever, a little bit of room, and see if we can get follow through. But it did go 3 points and filled at 3 points. I went a little more than 3 points. And they just weren't going to keep it positive. We knew that what was going on here. They had to sustain positive, and they had to sustain above 35, and they were never able to do it. So, boom, sold off. I don't know if this was news or whatever it was, but in any event, made a little bit of money. In the NASDAQ, had a clear target of 60. I said they tried to get below 58.60. They would need to sustain below 58 to 60. We always look for one candle, ideally two. However, we got in this trade 71.50. It made profits. It made almost 20 ticks. Hit it again. Some people hit it again. Told everybody every time it triggers, hit the trade, because it's got to get it's going to at least try to get down to that 58.60. And it finally went. We had one small profit, break evens, and then I just kept saying, hit it. After it went almost 60 ticks here, we did not hit it a fifth time. I said it probably will go a little bit further. They'll probably maybe retest and try to get below the 58.60, but you'll see they failed there on a close. They finally did close, and that was the warning point. Once they closed below the 58.60, and this candle here was the first time, then the market had a decision to make, and of course, they decided to go up, which is we just weren't involved in that. We could have made more money if we hit it a fifth time even, but again, so one good nice trade, one small trade, and a couple break evens if you hit all 4 times. Then we had a RS at 95. That didn't make hardly anything unless you had one contract. It was a break even for most people who had more than one. And then we had our beautiful, beautiful trade of the day. I told everybody if they're not going to go down, they're going to try to blow out the top. We gave it one shot to go down when it wouldn't go down here with any red candles. I said, they're going to probably go up. So we got long on the 1106 candle, 25.50, 13.125.50, and it just shot up and never looked back. They went over 160 ticks, 125.50, 175.50 would be 50 points, which would be 200 ticks. It didn't quite go into 72, but and we had some warning signs around here. So 100, 120 ticks, straight up, boom. And when it came back down, I said we could try it one time on an S play, which we did. We hit it around 35, 50, 36, and this candle here, this was in the middle of the candle. It bounced up. It went over 20 ticks because they were buying it all the way up to here. I said make sure you have profits. I said take more than half off. Go to entry, and either it follows through or it doesn't. And of course it didn't, but it did go 15 to 20 ticks at least. I think it went more than that. I got 20 plus on that, and then I broke even on my entry on my runner. So up to 20 or a break even. And that was it. It was all we did. So really nice one here, really nice one there, really nice one in the ES. I mean, it went 3 points, but that's not bad. It's about $150 a contract. So we're going to come back and do